Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a heart love like button on CapCut PC. So I have just selected this white background here and I'm going to mask it. So go to mask here and select the heart one. Then you are going to add in a different background, and I'm just going to actually, you don't have to scale it. Go to mask and then add a heart shape and make sure they are the same size kind of. Then around this here, you're going to make the white disappear and you are going to add in a keyframe on this part, and then I'm going to add a keyframe at the beginning of the video too. Then you are going to scale it down just a little bit, and then here you're going to scale it up to the same size as the beginning. I might just adjust this just a little bit again, like here. And then I'm going to make the heart shape bigger again. So let's just do that. And I'm going to make it a little bit longer. So here I'm going to press 892 and 800. Okay, that's good. And that is basically it, really super simple. You can select both, right click, and then create a compound clip, and then you can add it on top of a video if you want. For instance, this video right here, I'm just going to add it, change the format, and I'm actually going to put it in the I'm just going to put it down here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!